For today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to restore your headlights that are all yellow and foggy and hazy for about $20 in under roughly 5 minutes. I would show you on my cars, either the Supra or the Skyline, but as you can tell, they're pretty much still brand new and really clear. So I have to go find a car that has really terrible headlights and go restore them. So let's go find a car, shall we? There we go, there's some ugly yellow hazy headlights that we can restore. Here's a better look at the headlight. As you can tell, it's very yellow, very cloudy, and it looks terrible, especially compared to what, headlights are supposed to look like, where they're nice and clear. Ignore the bugs. So what we're gonna do is use this little Scratch X kit from Meguiar's. You can get it at Walmart. They have a kit that has this and these little wheel brush things, I don't know. But we're gonna use that and a drill and hopefully get that looking a lot better than what it currently looks like now. So that's this side, this is the other side. They look about the same. With that whole kit that I have, it's roughly 20 bucks and it will work pretty well for the most part to get rid of all this. There might be some more spots, like right here, it's pretty bad. I don't know if it's gonna get that, but we're gonna try to get a lot of the scratches out, a lot of the haziness out, a lot of the yellow cloudy bits, just try to get as much of that out as possible. Now this process, I don't exactly know what I'm doing. I just like to put 1, 2, 3 little dots on there, put it on the headlight like so, and then tap around, and then that's all I do. Does it work? I don't know. I think it does based off of past. Yeah. I've still got a little bit more left on this headlight, but look at how clear it is turning out. I mean, everything over there is good. It's just a little bit on this corner and a little bit here, and it'll be done. But comparing that to this, I mean, oh my God, that's still so awful. And this is all nice and clear. Still a little hazy, but again, for 20 bucks and about 5 minutes worth of time, this really is not bad at all. This side and look at how much better this looks. It's not going to be perfect by any means, but it will be a lot better than what it was before. You might still see a little bit of cloudiness, a little bit of haziness, but that is to be expected with a cheap $20 kit that just uses a drill. By the way, my drill died, so I couldn't finish it off as much as I would like, but overall, Look how good that looks. Look how good this one looks. I mean, again, for $20, that's insane. I mean, I'm sure you could get away with doing the whole avocado trick or the toothpaste trick or whatever you want. WD-40, I heard works, but this, I mean, it almost looks brand new. Compare that to that. Again, ignore the bugs. Not a bad job. Anyway, you're welcome, stranger. Hope you enjoy your new headlights. I'm gonna go be on my way and find another random headlight to restore. Totally kidding about that, by the way. That was Rachel's car. She cuts my hair, and as you can tell, I don't look like a complete moron or a derp anymore, and I don't have to wear my hat, so thank you, Rachel. But she asked me to restore her headlights forever ago, and we finally got around to doing it. By the way, if you go get this kit, it's, again, like $20, $24 or something like that at Walmart. I do recommend it. It's not perfect. It's gonna get rid of probably 90% of all the issues and imperfections on the headlight. But again, it's not gonna be perfect. It's just a temporary fix to make it look clear, to make it look a lot better. And I think it works great. It lasts a few months, at least where I'm at, it lasts a few months, probably 3, 4, maybe 6 months on a good day. But again, it's not gonna be absolutely perfect. This is something that I started a few months ago and kind of turned into like a small side business, side gig, and it works really well. So if this is something that you want to do, if you want to have a small side gig for the summer, I do recommend it. Go knock on your neighbors' doors if they have terrible headlights. Make headlights great again, or make headlights new again. It would be really nice to see cars driving with some really clear headlights, because all these yellow, disgusting ones, it looks horrible to me. I point it out all the time. But yeah, you can charge 15, 20 bucks a car, 20 to 40, depending on the headlight, and just depending on your skill level, I guess. But realistically, this doesn't take a whole lot of time, and you can probably knock out 5 to 6 cars with one kit. And if you charge $20 a headlight or $20 a car, you get literally your money back on that first car, and the remaining 5 or 6 is, you get basically $100 just by doing that. And then you go buy a new kit, and then you do it again for another 5 cars. And if you spend 15 minutes, 30 minutes a car, you make some decent money, depending on how many cars you can get. So highly recommend it. I know that when I was barely doing this, I was making almost $500 extra a week by doing it. And that's probably 2 days of just going around town, seeing if people want me to do headlight restorations. So it's not bad. It's not gonna last forever. But again, if you're looking for a small side gig, do recommend it. It's kind of fun. I like the satisfaction of seeing the headlights restore and get back to a nice clear lens instead of yellow, foggy, hazy, scratchy, just all of that. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's different, I know it's a little weird, but again, it's something that I wanted to do for a while, and I finally got to do it. So again, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, it really helps out. Other than that, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later.